Ever struggled with shaky footing on rocky trail runs, or felt your legs give up too soon? Today we're breaking down the top 5 best trekking poles for trail running that boost your speed, balance, and confidence on every path. Welcome back to the channel. Watch closely and grab your ideal pair through the links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is Thristride trekking poles. It's wild how one simple upgrade can make trail running feel less like a struggle and more like controlled momentum on uneven ground. These poles bring that shift instantly, delivering the same fast, agile support you'd expect from gear mentioned alongside top 5 best trekking poles for trail running, but with a sturdier, more grounded feel. The 7075 T6 aluminum frame takes hits without flinching, perfect for runners who blast through rocky climbs and technical descents. Each pole folds into a compact shape that slips into a vest pocket, and the weight stays low enough to keep your cadence smooth. The EVA foam handle absorbs sweat during those long, grinding climbs, while the locking system holds steady even when you're pushing hard uphill. Great for trail runners, hybrid hikers, and anyone who wants reliable propulsion, though taller athletes may prefer the extended length option. At number 4 is GPTCAMP trekking poles. Most runners don't expect a trekking pole to feel like an energy boost, but the moment these hit the trail, that's exactly what happens. Built with the same lightweight agility often praised in top 5 best trekking poles for trail running gear, they deliver steady drive without slowing your cadence. Each pole weighs just over 10 ounces, yet feels solid enough to trust on loose gravel, steep switchbacks, and long technical climbs. The EVA grip stays dry even when the pace heats up, keeping your stride smooth instead of shaky. Folding them down is fast and frustration-free, making transitions during races or mountain runs effortless. The wide height range is a win for runners of all builds, though ultra-minimalists might wish for an even smaller fold. Ideal for beginners, weekend trail runners, and endurance athletes who want dependable support without extra drag.
The third one on our list is Black Diamond trekking poles. Trail runners usually expect their legs to do the heavy lifting, but these poles flip that script the moment they snap open. There's an instant surge of rhythm that feels straight out of Elite, top 5 best trekking poles for trail running gear, giving every uphill push a smoother, more controlled drive. The aluminum build keeps them tough without weighing you down, and that cork grip settles into your hand with a warm, natural feel that stays steady even on sweaty switchbacks. Flick lock adjustments are quick, almost instinctive, so you never lose flow mid-run. They aren't the tiniest fold when stored, but the durability easily makes up for the bulk. Perfect for runners tackling long climbs, technical descents, or anyone wanting extra propulsion without sacrificing speed. The kind of pole that quietly upgrades your stamina the moment the trail turns brutal. On number 2 is Covacure trekking poles. Most runners don't realize how much speed they lose on climbs until a lightweight pole suddenly gives that momentum back. That's exactly the punch these Covacure trekking poles deliver, sliding effortlessly into the rhythm expected from serious, top 5 best trekking poles for trail running gear. The trifold frame snaps together fast, creating a firm, trail-ready spine that still packs down under 14 inches. The 7075 aluminum feels tough but never sluggish, bending under pressure without ever feeling fragile on rocky switchbacks. The EVA grip locks into your hand with a steady, grounded feel, especially when fatigue starts creeping in. They're not the simplest for first-time users, but once dialed in, the height range makes them a match for nearly any runner. Ideal for athletes tackling steep elevation, long ultras, or anyone wanting smoother propulsion when the trail turns unpredictable. Now moving to the last one is Foxelli trekking poles. Nobody expects a pole this light to hit the trail with such force, but the moment these Foxelli trekking poles touch dirt, they feel supercharged. Exactly the energy runners look for in serious top 5 best trekking poles for trail running setups. Every stride feels smoother, as if the trail eases its grip on your legs and hands you a little extra push uphill. The cork grip molds quickly, creating that secure hold you want when your pace spikes on fast descents. At just over 9 ounces, they vanish in your hands yet stay steady through sharp turns and loose gravel. The flip-lock system is quick and dependable, though the folded length isn't the tiniest. Ideal for runners training on mixed terrain, endurance athletes chasing elevation,
or anyone wanting lightweight control without sacrificing durability. A subtle upgrade that transforms the grind into flow. Among all the winners, the Covacure trekking poles deliver superb stability, lightweight design, and shock absorption, perfect for fast, confident trail runs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best trekking poles for trail running. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.